So what's up, people? It's your boy OT and welcome to Steady Bro. Now, I made you a promise yesterday that because I did not put on the proper video, I was going to give you a video today. So here I am. I wanted to be Dr. House. I wanted to be Sean Murphy from The Good Doctor. I wanted to be able to memorize everything and just be an absolute monster. Slowly but steadily, I realized that there was a whole lot for a person to memorize.
Empty your mind.
So I had to find a way to organize my thoughts to facilitate my memory. I had two options: the traditional way, taking notes on paper, or going tech. I normally took notes on A4 papers. Over time, my stats became rather big. And luckily for me, a year before, I was just roaming about on the App Store. Yeah, I got an iPhone. One of the iPhones that fought the Civil War. Like, this iPhone, I know it featured in the Vietnam War. This iPhone is old. And I came across a free deal, an application called Notability, which I suppose you're familiar with. When I saw the application, certainly at that point, as I said, I was traditional with my thing. I was just writing on my parchment. I said, you know what, it's free, I have nothing to lose. Let me just download it. You never know, in the future, it might come in handy. And damn sure that it came in handy. When I went to medical school, I got an iPad. Yep, I got a free iPad. You didn't. Shame on you. Cry, I don't care. You didn't, I did it, you didn't. And I know you are very salty. Nobody cares. With iPhones, you can do the repurchase join and get the same application on the iPad. That is not always the case. Sometimes you try to do it and the application in question is not available on the iPad, so you get schlonged. This time around, I didn't get schlonged and I was able to get the application on my iPad. To use Notability, right, you have multiple options. You can type on it if you're a very good typist. I'm not a great typist, so I couldn't really that fast during lectures. So what did I do? I got a pen. Here it is. So Medisave, listen, I'm giving you a good plug. I know I have like, how many subscribers do I have right now? I think I have like 43. I think I got like 43 subscribers. So Medisave, I'm doing a good plug. In the future, when I blow up, I'll come back to you and you pay me for this video. I'm doing a very good plug for this one. So when I bought my stethoscope, it came with this pen for neuro examinations, neuro. Trying to do the pupillary reflexes, consensus. And this pen had this, what do you call it? This, that soft tape that allows you to use touchscreen. Of course, these gains are approved by Zeus. Because of the strength, the way I was pressing the tin, I really damaged the tips of a few of them. So yeah, I got a couple from Amazon and I started using it on my iPad. Bear with me, I write like a chicken sometimes. So my handwriting was not the best, but at least it allowed me to take notes during lectures, jot down important points, which I could then follow up later on after the lectures. It can dictate what you like the application to write. It can dictate them to write it for you. This feature was not present when I first got it. It came about with an update, which I found it useful, but I've not really used it that much. Now, recommendation. Though I'm recommending Notability for you, I got it for free. I don't know if you will get it for free. I think it's £8.99 to get Notability. In my opinion, it's worth every penny. You get, when you're thinking and the memory is not working, you can organize it, put dividers in, and really take it to the next level if you are that sort of person, very organized and very meticulous. I'm a bit haphazard, I just go with the flow, how I feel, I just do it. Notability, I think, is a great app that you will benefit from if you want to find a way to take notes in medical school, university, wherever you happen to find yourself. You can dictate to it, you can type. I've seen people also use external keyboards for Notability, and they've also found that useful because my hands are a bit chubby, Told you, I ain't trying to be like Jabba the Hutt, but my hands are a bit chubby. So the keyboard on the iPad, it's all right, like the size, and it's all right. It's nothing too small. However, for someone like myself, I do struggle typing on it sometimes. It's a bit squishy. So you can use an external keyboard if you happen to have bigger hands or hands like myself. You can definitely use an external keyboard. I think you can connect it via Bluetooth, which will be of immense benefit to you in your notes-taking endeavors. For those of us who like to use their pens, I would recommend you use this one. The funny thing is, I think, let me give this caveat. You cannot use the Apple Pen for this one, at least on my, on this version of the iPad. I think this iPad mini, right? Yeah, you cannot use it for this iPad, but I think in subsequent generations of Apple, the current one, you can use the Apple Pen and Notability together, and you will get better. You won't be writing like a chicken like myself. So Notability, I'm doing this free video for you. what's the guy's name? Medicine. I'm doing this free video for you. You know, I'm grafting. I've been grafting in placement for a long time. I'm grafting with you too. When the time comes, I'll come and cash in my check. I'm just letting you know this is not for free. Yeah? One day I'll come back and cash my check. You could really sponsor this video and I'll be happy with it. Yeah? Then just hit up my line. Steady, bro. We saw your video. We thought it was good. You give us a good plug. Just want to hook you up. And I'll be like, hey yo, and I'll be really happy with it. Notability. It's an amazing app. You can take amazing notes with it. You can organize yourself as you see fit. You can use an external keyboard via Bluetooth to use Notability if you're that sort of person. You can use one of these stylus with a soft tip and use Notability with recent iPad minis, Air, whatever. You can use the Apple Pen with it. One of my friends, the cat lady, always uses the Apple Pen with it, and she does take amazing notes with it. So if you are that sort of person, very meticulous, she's quite OCD, to be honest with you. I'm giving a shade on it if she sees this video. She's very OCD, very. As of now, it's not free on the App Store. It's £8.99 if I'm not mistaken. But I would strongly recommend it for anyone who would like to take notes. And I think one good thing about going techie is that you can then carry your notes with you everywhere you go. You can connect Notability to your cloud, be it OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Drive, so that wherever you go, you can still stay in contact with your notes and continue it from there without being hampered by the need to carry paper with you all the time. And I think it has proven very useful to me, having Notability. So yeah, guys, I hope you found this useful. That's what I'm saying, right? It's your boy OT. Salute.